So hindi pa ako nakaayos ng buhok. Sir. So wala gawa tao kay medyo after pa ni isang pandemic nag-spike pa ang COVID cases naton. So old Iloilo is not the same. It's pretty much different from what's the normal that we we used to have, or but so far so good. The traffic is good and it's not really crowded, and I've noticed that people are wearing their mask. So good job Ilonggos, padayon kita. I think you're good. Woo! Now that's a wrap. So as you can see, I'm exhausted. It's been a while that I was able to walk this far. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.